No.
Can I go out there?
Absolutely.
Lucy, come get some grain.
I think I may have to go bring the freaking chicken back.
Lucy. No, she's coming back.
I hope so.
Lucy, come here. What you got on your back? What's that, a chicken? Lucy, you got a chicken on your back. Got a little baby chicken on your back? Whoopsie, don't fall. Oh, that's too funny. Come on, Lucy, come get some hay. Come back and get some hay.
Look at Teddy. Look at the chicken. Just now that's different.
That is so funny.
Yep.